Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an action button to your Facebook business page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, then click on your profile icon on the top right, and you should see a little arrow on the top right. Just select that, and it should bring up your page or business page, so select that. Once you're on here, you want to click on your profile icon again on the top right, then select your name at the top. Once you're on your dashboard, you should see three little dots on the right hand side near the middle, so you just want to click on there. And then again near the top it should say Add Action Button, so you just want to click on there. And then this will just let you know you can have one or two buttons shown on your page to help people contact you, support you, or link to your website or app. So obviously if you want to add any more action buttons, just select Edit Buttons, and then it'll bring up a range of options. So you have send WhatsApp messages, call, email, book now, view shop, link your website or app. So obviously you can select any of those. And once you've done that, just select save. Then you can come out of here. Then you should see view as, so you can click on that. And there you can see Get Tickets is added to your Facebook business page. Thanks for watching.